Hey guys, today I'll show you how to install Windows 11 on any laptop or computer. There are no hacks and it's legit. First, open up Google Chrome. Then type Windows 11 and then click the second link by Microsoft. Then scroll down. Windows 11. Download. Then select your language. Then click confirm. Then click 64-bit download. Mine's already downloading. After it's done downloading, open it and copy all these files. Then go to your desktop, right click, new, folder, name the folder Windows 11. Then open the folder and paste those files. Then open up the sources folder and delete this file. Then click the back button and then click setup. Click change how setup downloads updates and then press not right now. Then agree to the terms. Then press change what to keep. And there's 3 options you can pick from. I don't need anything on this computer, so I'm going to press nothing. Now it's just confirming with you, then you press install. Now we wait. Now I'm going to set it up and install drivers. Okay, I set up the laptop. It's getting Windows updates. And Windows security works too. And your Windows 10 license key transfers over to Windows 11. And Google opens really quick on Windows 11. Here's the startup test on Windows 11. And I'm already in the desktop. Alright guys, that's it.